How do you stop your iPhone from pressing random buttons? Well, the first thing that comes to my mind is that your iPhone's screen is some kind of, has some substance on it. Like a lot of times you have some raindrops on the screen or just, general water drops or debris or something. And this might cause some issues with the touch screen. Just like, when you have like really wet fingers or there's like water, it's very hard to like use the screen to scroll, to swipe, it's kind of hard. So make sure that the screen is as clean as possible. Use a lint-free microfiber cloth and gently, wipe the screen. Make sure you clean it and then try to see if anything changes, because a lot of times it's just caused by a dirty screen. But there are some other potential issues. So before we get into, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss future content like this. Basically, there are some accessibility features which might cause this type of stuff, right? So if you open up these settings and then navigate over to accessibility, well, in the touch section, there are some touch accommodations, for example. And this might be causing a bunch of issues, right? So when you turn this on, the screen is going to behave a little bit differently. So for example, there might be this hold duration thing, right? So when this is turned on, when you want to tap on something, you have to hold it for a little bit longer, right? So perhaps you set this up to, I don't know, like a 1 or 2 seconds, then every single thing you want to tap on, you have to hold down on it for 1 or 2 seconds for this period of time. And you can see like that, I couldn't just tap on it, I had to hold on it. So it is a feature, it might be useful, right? But this is something that might prevent you from knowing what's going on the screen, right? So I would just recommend you to turn it off entirely. But as you can see, for example, here's tap assistance. So this is going to allow simple gestures, or for example, when you touch the screen, the end location, the final location is going to be recognized as the touch, or the initial touch is going to be, the location is going to be recognized. So plenty of options here which might be useful for people who need them, but if you don't know what's going on, I would recommend you to turn off these options, as it might prevent you from using the phone the regular way that you are used to. So let me know down below in the comments what is causing the issue for you. I'm kind of curious to know what's up with people's phones, so let me know about that, and subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'm gonna catch you in the next tutorial.